submarine prowess, and the Sukhois flanking it. The formation led by Captain Akshay Kumar Raja. And now you can see Bajrang formation comprising 6 Rafale fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Undoubtedly, one can say even the wind along the Kartavya path has stopped to stare at these Rafales. The formation being led by Group Captain Arun Kumar. Other members of the formation, Wing Commander Jaspal Singh, Squadron Leader V.B. Chengude, Squadron Leader A.K. Beniwal, Squadron Leader S. Masand and Squadron Leader Amol Garg, all from 101 Squadron known as the Falcons of the Cham. The squadron's motto, Anabhishya Bhedi, seek and destroy. Rafale, omnipotent 4++ generation fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force.
जी आपसे कुछ ही क्षणों के बाद कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर से नजर आएंगे वज्रांग फॉर्मेशन में 6 रफेल विमान। नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन अरुण कुमार। वायु योद्धा गर्व और शौर्य की नई मिसाल कायम करते हुए कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर से वायु विचरण।
वज्रांग led by Group Captain Arun Kumar. Marvel the choreography of power and precision, each aircraft symbolic of the guardianship that keeps our skies sovereign and secure. And time now for a single Rafale flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour, all set to touch the sky with glory as it executes the vertical maneuver over Kartavya Path. The aircraft is being flown by Group Captain Amit Gehani along with Flight Lieutenant Utkarsh Sharma of 17th Squadron known as the Golden Arrows. Their motto, Udayam Ajastram, meaning ever rising skywards.
विजय फॉर्मेशन कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर से एक रफेल 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से वायु विचरण करता हुआ उड़ान भर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन अमित गेहानी। जोधपुर से उड़ान भरी है।
The aircraft doing series of rolls, going up, and finally would disappear into the blue yonder, signifying the motto of the Indian Air Force, Nabha Sprisham Deeptam. Vijay stands as a salute to the spirit of India, resolute and rising.
उपस्थित जनसमूह आह्लादित है, उल्लसित है, रोमांचित है वायु योद्धाओं के इस वायु विचरण को देखकर, जिन्होंने भारतीय वायुसेना की गौरवशाली परंपरा की नई मिसाल कायम की है। नभः स्पृशम दीप्तम को चरितार्थ करते हुए कर्तव्य पथ देश प्रेम के रंगों से ओतप्रोत होता हुआ।
Now you see me, now you don't. You blink and you miss. What a wonderful flypast. Historically, flypasts have a special affinity with parades and form their aerial component. And the flypasts here at the Republic Day Parade have a way of imprinting themselves on the audience's memory. A form of aerial salute. They show respect, display aircraft and showcase flying skills as a form of entertainment to delight the public. And everything is what we saw. So the spectacle of India's 77th Republic Day celebrations in New Delhi comes to a closure by the grand finale of the Indian Air Force. And ceremonial conclusions on days like today never have an air of finality about them. National celebrations always leave us suffused with feelings of pride, camaraderie and oneness. The past anchoring us and giving us stability. The present giving us the energy to move on. And the future giving us hope. We're now awaiting the arrival of the President's bodyguard. And we can see them here coming from the direction of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Lovely sunny morning. A light winter breeze definitely lifting the flags, but the spirits too.
भव्य गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह, और ये इतना शानदार कैसे बनता है, तो एक बात तो बिल्कुल समझ